Hi guys, in this video you are going to see how to unnest the audio clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. In the previous video I already showed you how to quickly fix the nesting problem for the audios in Adobe Premiere Pro. For videos it's very easy to make the nesting, but for audios a little extra step is needed. So check that video if you want to know that. Now as you can see here, this is the nested audio sequence. To unnest it, there are two ways. Number one way is just double click on the nested audio layer so that you will see all the audio clips inside it. So select it all, just copy it, make sure your playhead is at the starting point, then lock this audio layer, then paste it. Next, delete this layer. This is the first step. You successfully unnested the audio. The second step is in the project panel, you will see the nested audio sequence. Double click on it so that it will be opened. Again, the process is the same. Select it all, copy, and make sure your playhead is at the starting. I delete this quickly, then paste it. That's it. This is how you can unnest the audio in Premiere Pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and also subscribe to this channel for more tips and tricks as well as YouTube growth videos.